Sriram Venkata Fanikiranmai, and this is our project AgriVision Smart Crop Detection from the Space. The goal of this project is to identify crop types from satellite imagery using AI. We used the Eurosat dataset with Sentinel-2 images, which has 10 classes such as annual crop, forest, pasture, and residential. This project is the part of the Track One Crop Identification Challenge, where accurate crop classification helps with yield estimation and food security planning. Here we have installed Kaggle CLI to get the Eurostat dataset directly from the Kaggle, and we have uploaded the file of Kaggle.json, where we get the API keys. After that, it has directed to the Eurosat dataset, and next we have imported some libraries called NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, OS, and sklearn model, sklearn metrics through sklearn and TensorFlow. NumPy is used for numerical values. Pandas is for the data frames. Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for the visualization, and sklearn and TensorFlow has used for training and testing purpose and classification and to build a confusion matrix, and TensorFlow is used to for max pooling and flatten the end to end dimensions to like 1 into n dimensions. Now next we have given the directory we have given directory to the Eurosat dataset, and we have filtered out and keep only the directories. Like it will count image per class, and it will give what are the crops, what are the classes are there here. Like we can see here annual crop, forest, highway, herbaceous vegetation, river, permanent crop, residential, pasture, industrial, sea lake. Like here we can see the class distribution in Eurosat dataset before training and testing the data. And here we can check, like here we are giving image size as 64 by 64 pixel size, where the Eurosat dataset is the default size, and we have updated the correct directory path to where the image is contained. And here the output has given, here we have found 21,600 images belonging to 10 classes and 5,400 images belonging to 10 classes. And here we have given them a model, like how the image should be. The con 2D they have given, for 2D we have given 32, and we have used 3 filters like RGB, and we have used activation as ReLU, and we have used one more activation for dense as softmax, and we have input the shape as 64 into 64 pixels, and we have compiled the model using the optimizer as Adam, and we have given the categorical cross entropy for the accuracy. Here we can see the layer type and output shape and parameters, and we can see here total params and trainable params and non-trainable params as well. Here again we have given the we have printed the contents on the main data directory. We have and we have given few class subdirectory as a sample, like checking first 3 classes how it will be. Like we can see this is annual crop and this is forest, and we have given only for 3 classes, so we can see here the output as 3 classes. And here we have trained the model by giving the epochs as 10 batches, 10, and we can see here accuracy and loss curves for the train and value accuracy, like training and testing. Here blue color will show the training accuracy and orange color will show the value accuracy. Here we can see the train loss is a little bit low and value loss is a little bit more high. So after the prediction of validation set, we have given confusion matrix, like we can check how it is predicted and how it is organized in the data set. And we can see the F1 score as well as accuracy also for the each classes for precision, recall, F1 score also. And here we can predict the images, and here we have used data collection and cleaning also. We downloaded Eurosat corrupt, and we have cleaned corrupted or missing images and performed pre-processing such as resizing and normalization. And we have built and after training we have evaluated the model on test data and we achieved high accuracy on neurosat crop land cover classes. To better understand the results, we generated a confusion matrix which shows how well the model predicts each class. And here we tested the model by predicting only new images. For each image, the model outputs the predict crop or land cover name, like for example annual crop, sea lake, like forest, pasture, sea, etc. We also created map style classification visuals where predicted classes are shown in different colors similar to real crop classification maps. And side by side original Sentinel 2 patch versus predicted crop label versus color coded map here. And we have used RGB channels to further to predict the land cover map as patch grid. And here we have by using RGB patches we have predicted each Eurosat predictions on satellite RGB patches. Here we can see the satellite view, annual crop, residential, highway, and one more thing, a river, sea lake, everything we can see the satellite data. Here we can see herbaceous vegetation like this. And now here we have given and we have inputted the correlation heat map also. And we have a correlation heat map of RGB channels to understand the relationships in pixel features. Like it shows the raw Sentinel 2 patch image and histogram of the pixel intensities. After training we can see the class distribution in neuro dataset like before, and we can compare these both. And now we can give the single JPG. We can predict the river like we by giving the uh, by loading and testing the image from validation generator. Now we have given as a river and predicted as also river, so it has given 100% accuracy. And to predict the crop we have given JPG file and it has predicted the crop as annual crop. And in this hackathon we successfully built an end-to-end pipeline for crop classification from dataset cleaning, CNN training, evaluation and visualization. Our next step is extend this pipeline to the agri-field Indian dataset, which includes both Sentinel-1 SAR and Sentinel-2 multispectral data, enabling real-world crop monitoring for Indian farms. We also plan to deploy this as a web dashboard so farmers and policymakers can use it directly. Satellite visuals show a large-scale satellite map mock-up with the highlighted class fields. So this is the project I am going to submit for the hackathon for track 1 challenge, crop agrivision, smart crop detection from space. Thank you for this opportunity.